Hey guys, Marcus here from Static Cling with a quick video for Optic Multi-Channel Analyzer version 1.2. 1.2 is a free update that adds an oscilloscope mode to the device. In this mode, the incoming signal is displayed to the user in real time. To enable oscilloscope mode, flip around to the back of the device and select oscilloscope from the mode dropdown. While in this mode, the zoom knob controls how much of the incoming signal is shown. And the normalize toggle makes it easy to see the waveform even on low amplitude signals. Optic locks the scope to the rising edge of a signal, offering a consistent point of reference even as the waveform changes. Thanks for your interest in Optic. Please reach out to the email below with any questions, comments, or concerns.